Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you our Patreon specialty coloring books that every month, if you're a member at that tier, at this level, every single month we ship out a coloring book that we manufacture and bind in-house here in the studio. So I wanted to give you a little sneak peek at what these books are like and how thick they are and all of the bonuses that come inside of them. So let me do like a quick little flip through. These are some of the bonuses that come inside. This is the back, this is the front, and this particular month is all of our little herb garden fairies, little bestie herb fairies. And the paper that you're going to get in these books is, you can see it is amazing. This is a beautiful paper that I use when I draw and that I use when I color. So in some of the things that I'm going to be showing you on my YouTube channel, you'll see that this is the paper that I use and how it's just amazing. It's a beautiful paper. So in the back of the books, you always get some bonus sheets, bonus papers. This is, you can do scrapbooking, you can do add this to your little junk journals that are going to come in the books this month. We've got different pages. Then we've got, you can do a full scrapbooking page out of this one if you like, or you can fold it and put it in your junk journal. This is for notes, anything that you want to put in here that you want to try, certain types of pencils or markers or anything like that. This is a great worksheet, blank worksheet. This will help you to try a little face coloring, skin colorings to see how things will, we just put a little bonus page in there for you for that. Then I did this one because eyes are something that are really fun and interesting and sometimes take practice to color. So I did these different shaped eyes for you guys this time to be able to see how you can color the eyes and what different things you can use on them to color them up on this particular paper. And then this is really great because this will let you put your different markers. If you want to pull one of your markers out, you fill in and then you write the number down so you know which ones you used and what it looks like on this particular paper. So that's a really helpful one. And then this one helps you with curly hair, and it gives you different, you can make notes on what they look like when you do different colors on the faces and the skin and the hair, and so you know if you're going to reference and go back through to color something else, what you did on there is really great. And then these are some more of the pages that came in February's coloring book. There are 25 pages total, 25 different images total in this book. This is how thick this book is. And the paper, it's all the same. Then these are our little junk journals that come in this particular book this time. And you can bind them, you can, they're blank on the other side, so you can glue things down, you can glue in little envelopes or pockets on them. You can write on these. Then this is the next one that comes in there. And then this one. So it's all the little theme of the little herb girls, herb fairies. And they're just really, really fun to do. We're getting more and more into a lot of different junk journals too. Every single month you're going to see a lot more of those coming out with besties. But this is the one that's in this one for this particular month. And it is just, it's super, super fun. I'm having so much fun with this one already that I'm working on. You're going to see videos on the junk journals as well. So each one of them comes with these inside, so you can see. So I will leave a link to the Patreon. You can go sign up over there to get these. Also, we have different ones that are in our shop, and you can go over and order the specialty paper in the shop, because I know you guys, I've listened to how many of you say you really, really want better paper. Well, we heard what you said, like I said in my other video, that we were going to do something special for you guys and get you some good paper for those of you that want a different type of paper. So we've done that for you, and this is our February Patreon coloring book. So please give a thumbs up to the video and like and follow us, because we've got a lot more coming for you guys crafty wise. So we will see you soon. So keep watching. Bye.